Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about the relationship between elasticity and total revenue. Okay guys, so in this video what we're going to do is try and relate a demand curve into a total revenue function. So what we have up in the top diagram is a basic demand curve which is downward sloping, showing that as prices go up, quantity demanded falls. Below the line then we have a total revenue function, and this shows the total revenue for a firm as quantity increases. So we can start here at 0, and as quantity increases, total revenue is going up, but eventually drops down again and goes to 0, where the demand curve goes to cuts the quantity axis down here. So how do we relate them together? Well, what we're going to show is with any demand curve that's downward sloping, it will also have a marginal revenue curve that is downward sloping as well. And that marginal revenue curve, we're going to let it cut the quantity axis at this point here. And what we're going to do is we're going to say at this point where the marginal revenue curve cuts the quantity axis, we will take this quantity and we will bring it down to our total revenue curve down below here. So in this case, what we are saying is that where marginal revenue cuts the quantity axis, this equates to the highest point on the total revenue curve. And mathematically, we have shown this in a previous video as well. So where marginal revenue is 0, total revenue is maximized. What we're going to do now though is relate that in to elasticity, our concept of elasticity. So what we will say is that at this point here, at the quantity level that maximizes revenue, to the left of it, our demand curve is elastic. And that means that our price elasticity is greater than 1. To the right of this quantity, down along the demand curve here, we face inelastic demand. So we'll just put that in, inelastic, which means that our price elasticity is between 0 and 1. Okay, so what does this all mean? Well, what it means is if a company is charging a price of P1, well, in this case, it is maximizing total revenue. And to relate this to elasticity, we would say that it is unit elastic at this point. And what unit elastic means is that the price elasticity is equal to 1. So for a 10% price change, for example, quantity demanded will change by exactly that, by 10%. It's a proportionate change. So if the company has elastic demand, it would be better off dropping its price to increase total revenue. If it faces inelastic demand, it's actually better off increasing its price to gain more revenue. And it is only where the product is unit elastic, where the price elasticity demand is equal to 1, that its total revenue is maximized. At any other price for this company, the product is both elastic or inelastic, and it can do better in terms of total revenue by increasing its price or decreasing its price. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.